darkness. Bitter, bitter for all the things I've done. I'm trying to move on, but all the guilt is hitting me at once. I hope you're happy.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and begin this tutorial. So I've already moisturized my skin. I use the MAC Studio Moisture Cream. I'll put a picture right here because I didn't bring it right here for the video. And we're going to talk about the primer. As you can see, my skin is nice and moisturized. Primer of the hour. This is the Moonshine Miracle Cream from Juno & Co. Absolutely love the packaging, as you can see in the beginning of the video. And then I'm going to show you. Now, some people put a lot on. I'm not going to put a lot on. I just like to put a layer on. And I've been wearing it for about a week now. And I love it. It blurs the skin very nicely. And just gets it nice and ready for makeup. Absolutely love it. It'll last you forever if you keep the top on nice and tight. Even if you use it every day. So now look at my skin. Nice and blurred. I don't really have huge pores, but I do have some exfoliation I need to do on my nose. A few little blemishes. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime in Peach Luster. Absolutely love this because it does cancel out darkness. And what I really love with my skin tone, and maybe a little bit lighter but darker skin tones, can wear, just put this under your dark areas, can wear this alone. So you can put this on and blend it in. It just kind of looks like a nice highlight. See what I mean? Sometimes I put this on, put a little bit of shimmer, my eyes, lip, and go. No foundation needed. My next step is going to be my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I absolutely am in love with this foundation. This is a collaboration that Elisa Ashley did with NYX, and she put her foot in this. She really did a good job. I love that they're it's a full coverage matte. You shake it well. This is the color Sienna. So I shake it well. And then I use the NYX professional makeup brush. This brush is amazing. Yeah, I did it because of Jackie Aina. She always uses this brush. And I said, you know what? Let me see what this brush is about. Amazing. So I just kind of like to stamp it. Look at the coverage. Look at, I love this. I think the Moonshine just makes your foundation just so much more smoother. This brush makes it so much. I mean, just the combination of all of this is just amazing to me. Ooh, look at my skin. I'm loving it. Next, I like to use my Born This Way concealer. This is the Naturally Radiant concealer. Do you know where I found this? TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx sell these, and Marshalls sell so many of these, so don't sleep on them. NARS is in there, MAC is in there, Buxom, so many brands. You better go check it out. And then I like to contour with my Earth foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is an e.l.f. sponge. The other sponge I was using was from Beauty Junkies. Just to show you to another concealer I love to use is the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is a treatment concealer and it's in the color tan. Absolutely love it. I already put the highlight on, but I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the side here. Just to kind of on the sides right there, just so it can kind of calm what I put on down, because it is a little light for my skin. The color of the Born This Way is also tan, but it's just a little bit lighter. Hence the issues with naming certain colors, certain things, and they can be kind of different. Take the extra and blend it at the bottom. I like to take the same contour stick and do right there. I like to take this contour makeup brush. This is from, I believe it's from, this is from RC Cosmetics. It's the angled contour, but it gets right in the sides. Now I just want to set everything. This is the Sacha Buttercup and Laura Mercier powder. I mixed them together quite a while ago. Ooh, damp sponge. I'm going to take my Morphe E3 brush, focuses, and my Sephora powder in deep and rub the powder off and around my face. Take one of my favorite blushes in 05 from Black Op Cosmetics and my Real Technique blush brush. Favorite shimmers. This is in Oh Darling from MAC Cosmetics. MAC 127 brush. Put a little shimmer right there. For my lip, I'm taking Cyber World lip liner. And Cream Cup from MAC Cosmetics. All right, y'all. This is the look. Look at my skin. Now the time is 11:43 a.m. I'm about to leave. I'm about to go do errands, and my husband said it is a scorcher outside. Like, let me see what the weather is here in Chicago. 83 degrees and supposed to get a little warmer. So let's see. In case anybody is asking what is on my eyes, because I did not do a tutorial on this, but if you want it, let me know in the down bar. This is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, Violet Voss Pro. And I used a lot of the transition colors here. I used the reds and cranberries and a little bit of the brown. That is what is on, and then a highlight up there. That is the palette that I used on my eyes. Stop. And then for my lashes, again, don't sleep on TJ Maxx and Marshalls. At least the one in my area has so many lashes. They have the Kiss, and these are doubled. So this one right here is the, what do they call these? The KBL MO2. And then I also have the KBL MO1, the Page Boy. So I doubled them. And see, they look amazing. So get a good look at my skin, everybody. Get a good look. I'm not going to powder my skin. I'm not going to do anything while I'm out. I want to show you how much Moonshine works. Love it. All day to wear. Okay? I'm not going to be, I'm never in my foundation all day, like, you know. I mean, sometimes maybe 12 hours, 16 hours, something like that, but not 24. So it'll be probably another 5 hours, maybe. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I am back. It is now, what time? 4:36. And 4:36, this is my husband's phone because I left mine in the car. As you can see, I've been running literally for the past 4 hours. Running is super hot outside. I've been sweating. I'm just now kind of cooling off, you know, being back in my home. I don't want to tell them where I live. Anyway, and this is my skin. So you could tell I don't know if that's really sweat or if it's oil. I say it's sweat because I am sweating really bad right now. But I wanted to show you while I was sweating. And I kind of wanted to show you that way, and I kind of didn't because I wanted to show you how my skin was looking. Because you know I put shimmer here, I put shimmer here, shimmer here, I put shimmer here. But look at how good I feel my skin looks. I didn't touch up anything. I didn't even want to put lipstick back on. So that is the product. I absolutely love it. And I'll see you in the next one. So I just want you all to take another look that this is, now I have completely stopped sweating. The skin just looks great. I wanted you to see too how it looks for transferring. But I put powder on top of my skin, but let's go ahead and blot now how it looks blotting. Okay, this is how my skin looks after I've blotted it. I still say very flawless, and that's what it looks like. So this primer is just top notch, and I've seen it being compared to some pretty expensive primers, and this is like 30, that's how much it is. So